go ahead and open up OBS. So what we're going to do, come over here underneath sources, and we're going to click on this plus icon to add a new source. And over here we do have a video capture device, so let's just go ahead and select this. Over here you can rename this. Let's call this VM20. Okay, let's select OK. And over here underneath the properties page, underneath devices, we want to go ahead and select the NearStream USB VM20. So let's go ahead and select that. So perfect. We've added the video signal from the VM20 into OBS. Next, I want to go ahead and show you guys how to simply add the audio coming from the VM20 as well. All right, so for us to add the VM20 internal microphone into OBS as an example, we want to come over here to sources, click on this plus icon again, come over here to audio input capture, select that. Over here, we can give it a new name, VM20 audio, click on OK. And now over here underneath the properties devices, we want to select this drop down menu. We want to look for NearStream USB VM20. So let's go ahead and select that, click on OK, and bingo. Now you guys are listening to the internal microphone coming from the VM20. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. How does it sound? The camera internal microphone is just about an arm's reach away from me right now, and this is the internal microphone audio over here into OBS. I want to know what you guys think, how the audio sounds coming from this camera. So hopefully now you guys are a little bit more familiar on how to connect the VM20 to your PC, download and install that software, connect it, for an example, to a software like OBS or any other kind of streaming social media platform that you want to connect it to.
This is of course OBS. Now again, when I had that panorama, it zoomed in to like this area right here, and you can see here that I have this on this side right there. So we're going to actually transition that, so that would be nice. And delay wise, it's actually not too bad. Yeah, I should be able to add a filter, so I could add a filter here if I wanted to. Right now I'm doing this all on a Mac, so just kind of be aware, but you could play around with it. And of course, because I've set up 2 scenes, I could come here and then just do a nice transition back and forth. That's kind of cool, right? So you got this nice back and forth. I can transition, you know, however I want. And again, you know, that's pretty good. I'm actually surprised at how good the quality is. Way better than I actually expected it to. Really good. Now setting this up, actually really easy. You'll see when I went in here, so I'll pretend like I'm doing another one. So let's say I did a scene 4. Simple, you're gonna go to the plus. You're going to add a video capture device. You can see I had these existing ones, but if I wanted to create a new one, let's say I had another camera, all I would do is come in here and I could pick the NearStream.